What is up, guys? Welcome back. We have some breaking crypto news. With all the talks going on with Ethereum ETFs, I do want to share with you guys some comments, coming out from Larry Fink as we get further into 2024. Some really big news and noteworthy news, if I might add, because of what may happen, Not just if this comes to fruition, but if we do get the presidential election, there are some rumors that if Donald Trump would be elected, he would have Larry Fink as the Secretary Treasurer for the United States as well. That is a huge, huge move within crypto. I do want to break down a lot of this and give you guys my thoughts along the way. If you have not done so, this is a perfect time. If you can, make sure you subscribe down below. Smash that like button. We do talk crypto every single day right here on the channel, and let's get down into it. Okay, so before we get into it, I want to share with you guys kind of what's going on. Please remember, though, not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence, and let's get into it. All right, here is the crypto bubbles. All right, this is what we like to see. This is how we want to kick our weekend off. All right, we are looking at a very positive day, taking back some of those losses from yesterday. If you do follow crypto, you understand what I'm saying. How about market manipulation takes place? And this is something where we are noticing that pretty strongly, right? So a lot of these cryptos were down more yesterday than they're up today. Well, that's kind of how it takes place. But if we can continue these green trends into the weekend, right? Every single crypto, with the exception of XRP, trading here roughly down 0.8%. So I don't even really count that, especially because of the run they've been on. But if you look at the overall crypto market, all right, and this one will be more Ethereum kind of centric. You see exactly what I'm talking about. Ethereum, look at it right now, up 4.8% on the day, trading at 3,273 at its high point. All right, but as we look at it right now, it's 32.59. So let's see where ETH can head to, and let's get back into it. All right, so this is what we came here to talk about, the new staking feature that may lie ahead with Ethereum ETFs. So in the latest development, Larry Fink, BlackRock CEO, whether you feel good, bad, indifferent about BlackRock basically owning the world, he's added that the staking feature to the Ethereum spot ETFs is not on the agenda, okay? We all know how 8 Ethereum ETFs had a very strong debut. Not necessarily the price impact that we were looking for. It was a possibly priced in sell the news event that we had with ETH ETFs. But now as we look at kind of this rebound that we're looking at, this may be what we're looking at. And when you conversely contrast this Ethereum ETF going live versus that first day on Bitcoin, ETH ETFs outshine and outpaced Bitcoin ETFs on that first day. Now, within the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, the ETHE, right, that has existed in a non-ETF form for years, but is now newly converted to an ETF, has saw outflows of approximately 811 million. That's why we saw the sell-off. But however, the new products that BlackRock saw 800 million deposited in the first 2 days give us some reason for bullishness. Now, with this new kind of landscape that's taking place, and as we look for possibly a new administration come 2024, like I talked about within politics and within the United States for that matter, this is going to be a big global development, because if, per se, Larry Fink gets involved, A, B, if it gets more crypto-centric, we're looking at a big, big run for 2024 to end on a high note. Now, all this said, Bitcoin brushing all-time highs, Ethereum, where we're trading at right here, right now, it's all part of the larger narrative that we are still so very early into crypto, all right? And with what we have going on with these Ethereum ETFs, Bitcoin ETFs, if we get a Solana ETF, in my opinion, if we would get some kind of ETF like we're traditionally trading ETFs, where we kind of have the, categorically, top 25 cryptos and just take some in the same category, right? The focus in either AI or real world, assets, so on and so forth, or if they're just basically infrastructure cryptos. I think that's a better way to go down into, doing these ETFs versus just say, hey, Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, Solana ETF. I don't really like it that way, but that's why they do it. Could we get like a layer 1 ETF? Possibly. That's something I think it's in the cards. I think it all has to deal with the scrutiny from the SEC. What is a security? What is a commodity? But for this matter, and for the highlight and purpose of this video, Bitcoin or Ethereum at 32.58. We look at it at all-time highs. You can see kind of conversely on the year, trading almost at 4K on the year. I think this is something where if these ETFs become, whether you're good you feel good, bad, or indifferent about these, coming into, mainstream, it doesn't really matter. Because the volume's great. It's giving access to users who wouldn't normally be investing into crypto. And as long as the institutions don't manipulate it along the way, I think it's a good thing for crypto. But the glass half full argument that I've always told you guys is the fact that if the manipulation occurs from these institutions, then we're just getting the evil back into crypto, right? We're becoming more centralized. We're staying away from decentralization, and that is not a good thing long-term for crypto, and it's taking us away from our goals, obviously, that we all have for the state of the global cryptosphere. So as I report to you guys today, 32.59 at the time of recording for ETH. We are just a shade below $400 billion in market cap, and this is a very kind of groundbreaking breaking news coming out from Larry Fink, because now he's declined that staking feature for Ethereum ETFs is not into the cards. So that's the update. Hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Also, before I let you go, I do want to take time to talk about today's channel sponsor. If you guys do any kind of leverage trading, perfect opportunity. Register today using my link down below. Claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. Get started today. There's no KYC, so make sure you do your due diligence and make sure Margex is right for you. You can trade up to 100x leverage with all your favorite cryptos. Also, the copy trading feature with Margex is where a lot of traders have been having extreme success. So make sure you check all that out as well. And by all means, get started trading with Margex today. Links down below. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Please subscribe on your way out if you have not yet already done so. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.